Back on the little Philco PT-27 antenna coil where the secondary was eaten by the mice, taking some measurements for reference just in case I end up having to rewind the secondary. And if you look real close, you'll see the lead wires coming down from that secondary coil. I'll use my razor and just cut into that, pull it back, and get the heat gun out and see if we can determine where the break is and identify the outermost winding and the innermost winding. Okay, interesting. You can see the longer lead that I've unwound. There were 9 turns around the dowel. That looks like it's the most inner winding to add additional inductance as needed when they were doing the tweaking for the tracking of the antenna section. And you can see the shorter lead. That's the most outer. I'm going to try to heat up the wax and see if I can unwind this and get back to the break point. I may be able to actually repair this. And there's the damage from the mice. Only pulled off that much of the outer winding. And another section that they chewed through. Okay, I may get lucky here. I took 2 more turns off. Let me clean this up and see if I can read DC resistance. Okay guys, you can see I got lucky with the repair, 194 microhenries, 4.91 ohms. There's the damage to the winding. I'm going to try to tie this in down here to the terminal strips, and then I'll put some conformal coating over the top of that, silicone based instead of wax, just in case I need to get back in and do any tweaking for the inductance itself, but pretty close to my calculated numbers as well, between 192 and 198.